The 3 hidden stages every successful trader must master. Hi there. Are you new to trading and wondering how some people consistently find success while others struggle to make it work? Here's the truth. Successful traders don't just know better strategies or have bigger wallets. They've gone through 3 game-changing hidden stages that shape their journey. Yet, most beginners overlook these steps entirely. In today's session, I'll break down these 3 must-master stages in a clear and actionable way so you can fast-track your trading success. No unnecessary jargon, no overwhelming theories, just simple, practical insights every beginner can benefit from. Ready to level up? Let's dive into it. Welcome to the very first stage of becoming a trader, learning. Sounds obvious, right? But believe me, most traders completely mishandle this phase. Here's what usually happens. A new trader decides to dive in, binge reads articles, watches a dozen YouTube videos, and plays around with indicators. But nothing sticks. They get frustrated, lose money, and think, trading is impossible. Here's the truth. The learning stage isn't about cramming random knowledge into your head. It's about building a solid foundation. What does that mean? Let me explain. The key focus at this stage should be understanding fundamental concepts, risk management, reading charts, understanding market trends, and recognizing patterns. Avoid the get-rich-quick myths, those Instagram posts showing overnight millionaires, but completely missing the point. Trading takes intentional effort at this stage, not gambling or chasing luck. Most early mistakes come from rushing to trade before learning the rules. Some examples. Going all in on a single trade instead of managing risk. Following unverified advice from the internet. Trading emotionally solely based on FOMO, fear of missing out. If this sounds familiar, it's okay. The good news? Mistakes in this stage are learning opportunities if you use them wisely. Start small. Focus on just 1 or 2 strategies before diversifying. There's no need to know it all. Practice on demo accounts. They're a safe space to make mistakes without losing hard-earned money. Learn from trusted sources. Videos, books, or even a mentor can help cut through the noise and give you clarity. Journal everything. Make note of your decisions, outcomes, and lessons. You'll thank yourself later. Remember, the learning stage is where you lay down the groundwork, so don't rush it. Invest in learning now and future. You will thank you when the wins start coming. Congratulations! Let's say you've moved past the learning phase and you understand the basics of trading. But there's a problem, a massive one. You're still making poor decisions, not because you don't know what to do, but because your emotions are pulling the strings. Welcome to stage 2, the emotional mastery stage. If you're wondering, why should my emotions matter? Trading is all numbers and charts. Then I've got something eye-opening for you. Emotional control is the silent killer of most trading accounts. Things like fear, greed, and frustration can completely derail even the best strategies. Let's break it down. New traders face these emotional traps all the time. Fear. Ever hesitated to pull the trigger on a trade only to watch it skyrocket without you? That's fear holding you back. Greed. How about staying in a profitable trade too long, hoping for more, only to lose it all when the market turns? That's greed. Frustration. And let's not forget the anger or impulsiveness after a string of losses. It's easy to jump back into the market to win it all back, but that rarely works. Here's the good news. Emotional mastery can be learned. It's just like training a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger your emotional resilience becomes. Here are some practical tips to help. Stick to your plan. Please, stick to your goddamn plan. Never deviate from your preset strategy no matter how tempting it feels. Your trading plan is your anchor in stormy markets. Set risk limits. Decide how much you're willing to lose on any single trade and stick to it no matter what. This helps take the fear of big losses out of the equation. Take breaks. If emotions are running high, whether from a big win or loss, walk away. It's better to pause than to let emotions cloud your judgment. Think long-term. View each trade as a tiny piece of the bigger puzzle. A single win or loss doesn't determine your success. Consistent growth does. Reflect and journal. After each trading session, ask yourself, what went right? What went wrong? Did emotions influence my decisions? Writing it down helps you track patterns and improve over time. Remember, your mindset is just as important, if not more, than any strategy you use. Trading is a mental game as much as it is a technical one. Now we've reached stage 3, the stage where everything falls into place, the consistency stage. This is where the real magic happens. At this stage, you've mastered the basics in stage 1, gained control over your emotions in stage 2, and now it's time to put it all together. Your goal in this stage isn't to chase big wins, it's to become a disciplined, steady trader. Let me paint a picture. Would you rather have one winning month where you earn $5,000 but lose it all the next? Or would you prefer to steadily gain $500 every month and grow confidently over time? The answer is obvious. Consistency is the lifeblood of a successful trading career. But don't think consistency means never losing a trade. Even the world's best traders have losing streaks. The difference? They win more over time because they stick to their process. Follow a routine. Create a daily or weekly trading routine that includes market analysis, trade planning, and journaling. Routines reduce decision fatigue and help you stay focused. Journal your trades. Yep, we're bringing this up again because it's that important. Regular journaling will reveal patterns, strengths, and weaknesses you didn't even know you had. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Professional traders don't chase every market movement. They wait for their setups. Use filters and alerts to focus only on high-quality trades. Stick to your strategy. Once you've tested a strategy and seen it work, don't tinker with it impulsively. Make decisions based on data, not emotions. Celebrate small wins. Consistency isn't flashy, so it's easy to overlook progress. Celebrate incremental growth. It's a sign you're moving in the right direction. Here's one final truth about this stage. It takes time, and that's okay. Trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay focused on gradual improvement rather than instant success, and you'll naturally build the habits of consistent professional trading. Now that we've explored all 3 stages, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. These stages aren't silos, they're deeply connected. Mastering one sets the stage for the next. Without a solid foundation from stage 1, learning, you can't build the emotional discipline of stage 2. And without emotional mastery, the consistency in stage 3 is impossible to achieve. That's why trading success takes time. It's not about rushing through stages, but growing into each one. Take a moment to reflect. Which stage are you currently in? Let's recap. The 3 hidden stages to trading success are: learning, building your foundation and avoiding beginner mistakes; emotional mastery, gaining control over fear, greed, and frustration to make sound decisions; consistency, combining discipline and patience to create steady, long-term growth. Every successful trader has walked this path. If you're struggling, remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress, step by step. So, here's my challenge for you. Identify which stage you're in, take one actionable step today to improve in that stage, and commit to growing as a trader. Trading isn't easy, but it's a skill anyone can master with focus and effort. And who knows, this could be the start of your success story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share your biggest takeaway, or let me know what trading challenge you're working to overcome. Let's grow together. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips.